Did you know most YouTube channels never reach 100 subscribers? But if you follow a few simple steps, you can get your first 100 subscribers much faster. The biggest mistake new creators make is posting random videos. Instead, focus on one topic so YouTube knows who to recommend your content to. For example, if your channel is about AI tools, keep making AI related videos. If it's about gaming, stay focused on gaming. Next, create attention grabbing titles. Your title should make people curious and encourage them to click. So let's start creating them right now. 5 AI tools that save creators every week. Let's count them down right now. You won't want to miss this. Now let's talk about thumbnails. Bright colors, big text and clear images can dramatically increase your clicks. Shorts are one of the fastest ways to gain subscribers. Upload at least 1 or 2 shorts every day. Want to make killer shots? Grab attention in the first 3 seconds. Keep your content fast and valuable. Always cut out any dead air. And watch your views explode. Want to improve your video quality? First, always use natural light. Second, keep your camera steady. It's really that simple. Subscribe for more tips like this. Hey everyone, making videos is a lot of fun. But did you know that many of you forget to hit subscribe? So here is your gentle reminder. Click that button right now. Thank you so much for your support and enjoy the video. Another powerful strategy is consistency. Upload on a regular schedule and don't disappear for weeks. Even if your videos get only a few views, keep posting. Every successful creator started small. Reply to every comment you receive. Engagement helps build a loyal community around your channel. You should also use relevant keywords. Put them in your title and description. This helps YouTube understand your content. Study your analytics. Find out which videos get the most views and create more content on similar topics. Don't compare yourself to big creators. Focus on improving one video at a time. You have got this, just keep going forward. If you stay consistent, post quality content and learn from your analytics, your first 100 subscribers will come faster than you think. So start today, stay consistent and keep creating. Subscribe for more YouTube growth tips and I'll see you in the next video.